ACE, your ultimate solution provider. At ACE, we believe in going above and beyond to ensure our clients' satisfaction and success. That's why we offer an array of value-added services that set us apart from the competition. Free product demo. We provide in-house product demonstrations to guarantee our equipment is ideally suited to your specific project requirements. Free site visit by experienced engineer. Our seasoned engineers will visit your site at no extra cost to deliver the best possible solution tailored to your needs. Free experienced operator. Every machine from ACE comes with a skilled operator, free of charge, to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. These value-added services highlight our dedication to customer satisfaction and excellence in the construction equipment supply industry. Choose ACE for superior support and solutions, and experience the difference in quality and service. Elevate your construction projects with ACE today.